Hello students, how are you all? Today I am going to discuss with you about the syllabus of class 9th and 10th of CBSE, the latest syllabus of 2021-22. So children, you can just note down the chapters which are included in 2021. So let's see your syllabus. First of all, your science, the code for your science subject is 086, which is for 9th as well as for class 10th. There are general instructions you can see in the syllabus, that is there will be an annual exam based on the entire syllabus. The annual exam will be of 80 marks and 20 marks weightage shall be for internal assessment. So as you know, total 100 marks, and out of which 80 marks is of annual exam, whereas 20 marks weightage is given for internal assessment. Now what kind of internal assessment? So as you can see, internal assessment will be in the form of periodic assessment, that is 5 marks, as well as 5 marks for the other methods of assessment like your test, oral test, quiz, concept maps, projects, etc. Okay, then also this year in class 9th you have lab work, like you have to maintain a small journal for physics, chemistry and bio, and throughout the year you will be performing the practicals, and on basis of that you will be getting the 5 marks, and questions may be asked on the basis of this practical based question may be asked in your exam. Then we have portfolio to be prepared by the students, and this would include classwork and other sample of student work, and will carry a weightage of 5 marks. So this is the marks distribution of 20 marks of internal assessment. Now children, let's come to our course part, that is total 80 marks annual examination. So as you can see, the physics, chemistry and bio is distributed into different units. The units are matter and its nature and behavior, that will come under chemistry part. Organization and living world will come under bio part, whereas motion, force and work will also come under physics part. Our environment, food and food production will come under bio part. So you can see their marks distribution. So total is 100. Now as you can see, I have highlighted the different sections. Like first one is chemistry part. So chemistry, it includes the chapter like matter, nature and behavior. In that you can see the chapters are divided into nature of matter, then particulate nature and their basic units, structure of atoms, and I will more concentrate on the bio part. So as you can see, the biology part is divided into theme, that is the world of living, which consists of unit 2, that is organization in the living world. The first chapter is the fundamental unit of life, the cell. So in this chapter you are going to learn about the definition of the cell, then which are the types of cell, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic, about the multicellular and unicellular organisms, about the different organelles of the cell. As you can see, cell membrane, chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, nucleus, chromosomes, etc. So you are going to learn all these basic things in your fundamental unit of life. This chapter already you have learned in the class 8, but little more things you are going to learn in this chapter. Then second chapter you have, that is tissues. This is little new for you children, that is you are going to learn about the different structure and functions of animal as well as plant tissues, and which are categorized into different types. So that you are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, then next we have diversity in living organisms. This chapter consists of plants and animal kingdoms. So here you are going to learn about the different classification of plant and animal kingdoms, their categories, their characteristics you are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, then fourth we have, that is health and diseases. So in that, the name of the chapter is why do we fall ill. So in this you are going to learn about the health and its failure. Then the subunits, as you can see, subtopics are being covered in this chapter, that is about the infectious and non-infectious disease, their causes, disease caused by microbes, their principle of treatment and prevention, and different programs. So this you are going to learn in the bio part. Then as you can see in the physics, I have highlighted these are the chapters, that is motion, force and work motion, force and Newton's law, gravitation, flotation, work, energy and power, and sound. So these are the chapters which are included in physics. Whereas you can see that the theme natural resources, that is balance in nature. So here you are going to learn about the chapter that is management of natural resources. Here you are going to learn about air, water, soil, for what purpose, their importance and their characteristic you are going to learn, and different biological cycles in nature, that is water, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. Then lastly we have unit 5, that is food production, which includes improvement in food resources. So here you are going to learn about the different techniques, different improvement methods, how we can improve the crop production and management. So that we are going to see in this chapter. Fine. So this is the syllabus of class 9th. Then we have this year in class 9th you have practicals. So these are the list of practicals you can see. So these are some of the practicals here. Both the all the three sections practicals are included: physics, chemistry and biology, as you can see here. I have highlighted the biology part. As you can see, 5th and 6th one is the biology section practicals, that is preparation of stain temporary mount using onion peel and human cheek cells. And the 6th one is identification of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. These are the plant tissues, and as you can see these are animals. One is smooth and cardiac muscle fibers and nerve cells. This we have to just observe the slide and draw their label diagram. Okay, and we have 12th and 13th one. This is also study of characteristic of different plants and their features, which group they belongs to. This practicals are mostly related to your chapter only. So along with the chapter you are going to perform this practicals. Then 13th one we have observation of different charts, models of different organisms and their specific feature and their phylum. So this both the 12th and 13th practicals are related to the chapter plant and animal kingdom, that is diversity in living organisms. Then 15th one you have study of the external feature of root, stem, leaf and flower of monocot and dicot plants. So this is also of diversity living organism. So this is your syllabus of class 9th of 2021 and 22. These are the prescribed reference books you can go through. Okay children, now we are coming to the now this is children class 10 syllabus. As you can see, same code 086. This is your syllabus for 2021-22. Same year the general instruction, that will be there will be an annual examination based on entire syllabus. The annual examination will be of 80 marks and 20 marks weightage shall be for internal assessment. And for internal assessment there will be periodic assessment, that would include for 5 marks 3 periodic tests conducted by the school, and the best one out of the periodic test will be added for your final result. Okay, so among the 3 periodic test, the one which you get the best marks, that marks will be added for your final result. Then for 5 marks you have assessment like same oral test, projects, maps, posters, presentation, etc. And this will also have a weightage of 5 marks towards the final result. Then here also we have practical work. You have to maintain a practical journal, and the practical assessment will be continuous, and there will be weightage of 5 marks towards the final result, and all the practicals listed is the syllabus must be completed. Then here we also have portfolio. So portfolio to be prepared by students, and this work will include classwork and other sample of student work, and which will carry 5 marks towards the final results. Then the distribution of your marks. So as you know, here also the chemistry, bio and physics is classified, and their marks are distributed. Total 100 marks, 80 and internal assessment 20 marks. Same here you have chemistry part. As you can see, chemical substances, nature and behavior, where you have chapters chemical reactions, acid, base and salt, metals and non-metals, carbon compounds, periodic classification of elements, etc. Then I am going to concentrate mainly on the biology part. So the biology unit consists of world of living. We have life processes. So in this life processes we are going to learn about the different concept of different life processes like nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion in plants as well as the animals. Then we have control and coordination in animals and plants. So here you are going to learn about the different hormones, the control and coordination taking place in the animals and plants, about nervous system, about different actions that is voluntary and involuntary, and chemical coordination that is in the animal hormones. Then we have next chapter that is reproduction in plants as well as the animals, and about the methods of family planning as well as the safe sex versus HIV AIDS and childbearing and woman health. So these are the topics which will be covered in the chapter reproduction. Then we have last that is heredity and evolution, which includes the contribution of Mendel's experiments. Then we will see about the sex determination theory and the basic concepts of evolution. Okay. Then we have physics part, as you know, which consists of the chapter or the unit natural phenomena. These are the subtopics which are included in this chapter. Then same way we have unit 4 that also includes physics part, as you can see, effects of current, magnetic effects of current. Then we have theme natural resources, that is source of energy, which will include all the different forms of energy, conventional as non-conventional source of energies, fossil fuels, solar energy, biogas, wind, water and tidal energy, and renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy. Then we have our environment. In that we are going to learn about the ecosystem, food chain, food web, then about the environmental problems, then the ozone depletion, waste production and their solution, and about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. Then in management of natural resources you are going to learn about the conservation and judicious use of natural resources, forest and wildlife, coal and petroleum conservation, examples of people's participation for conservation of natural resources, about the dams, their advantages, limitations and alternatives, and water harvesting, and about the sustainability of natural resources. So these are all the important chapters are of class 10. Then here also we have practicals. So practicals will be conducted along with the concept taught in the theory classes. So along with the chapters we are also going to see the practicals side by side. So these are the list of practicals. The first one is for the chemistry. Then second we have chemistry part, that is performing and observing the reactions. Then this third one is also of chemistry part. Fourth you have of physics. Then fifth we have of physics. Sixth one you will see that it is of bio part, that is preparing a temporary mount of a leaf peel to show stomata. So to observe these stomata we are going to do the activity of peeling the leaf peel from a piece of leaf and observe under the microscope. Then seventh we have experimentally that to show that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. Then eighth one you have of chemistry. Then ninth one you have for chemistry part. 10th you have for physics part. Even 11th you have for a physics part. Then 12th one you have for bio part, that is to study the binary fission in amoeba and budding in yeast and hydra with the help of the prepared slides. Then 13 and 14 you have of physics part. Then 15 again you have a bio part, that is identification of different parts of embryo of a dicot seed, that is either pea, gram or red kidney beans. So these are the list of the practicals which are going to see during your classes and during your theory part. And on the basis of this all practicals, practical based question may be asked in your board exams. Okay, so आपको ये practicals करना इसलिए ज़रूरी है because questions, practical based questions may be asked in your exams, and these are some of the prescribed books you can just go through for your reference. Fine. And as you can see this is the assessment area and internal assessment, periodic assessment 5 marks plus 5 marks, that is total 10 marks, subject enrichment, that is your laboratory work 5 marks, and portfolio 5 marks. So this is how the distribution of your class and 9-10 syllabus. Thank you children.